Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by running the Tacoma until the oil reaches normal operating temperature, about 5 to 10 minutes. Warm oil drains faster and reduces clinging. Park on level ground and engage the parking brake, then place wheel chocks behind the tires for safety. Wear gloves and eye protection, and assemble tools. A 14mm socket or wrench for the drain plug, an oil filter wrench sized for a cartridge or spin-on filter, a drain pan rated for 6+ quarts, rags, and replacement oil and filter. Position the drain pan under the oil pan, then use the 14mm socket to carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Drain all oil until the stream slows to a drip. While oil drains, locate the oil filter, either a spin-on or cartridge style depending on year, and use an oil filter wrench to turn it counterclockwise. Expect residual oil to spill. After removal, clean the mounting surface and check that the old gasket did not remain. Wipe with a clean rag and inspect the drain plug for metal shavings. Prepare the replacement filter by applying a thin film of fresh engine oil to the rubber gasket. This ensures a proper seal. Install the new spin-on filter by hand until the gasket contacts the base, then turn it another 3/4 to 1 full turn. For cartridge filters, replace the O-ring and torque the housing to spec. Reinstall the drain plug and tighten to about 25 to 30 ft/lb. Refill with the correct oil grade and quantity per your engine. Check the dipstick while adding. Run the engine 30 to 60.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.